Top of the morning, guys. Top of the morning. Hope all is well. Giving thanks this beautiful morning. It's a gloomy morning. Should be expecting some snow or some rain tomorrow, starting tonight, I believe. But we're on the road. We starting early. Not as early as usual, but we just giving thanks this morning for another day. Giving thanks to the family. Took the family for a quick walk this morning. Nice brisk walk. And it felt good. You get that clarity before you go out into the world. We're going to do a quick day in the life. Let's see how it goes. Been a calm morning. It's gloomy, but not a lot of chaos on the street this morning. I actually just saw a truck with a salt spreading sign in the back, but I didn't see any salt being spread. So will we get some snow? First snow for the year or in 2 years? I don't remember the last time we got snow, but we'll see. Heading to our local Home Depot right now besides that, and we're going to rent a van today, a pickup van. We need to get some firewood. I need to stop doing this to myself. I need to stop waiting late in the season to get my firewood, because what happens is it hasn't rained in a while. So what happens is usually when I get the wood now, I usually have to wait a bit for the wood to dry out. But since it hasn't rained in a while, I'm hoping that the wood is dry enough for me to maybe use right away. So we're heading there now, heading to the local Home Depot now, and we shall see. Instead of going to Home Depot, we end up getting the firewood delivered to us. So it is the season, so we prepared. We gonna take these inside. We got Curious Mo there. So yeah, guys. So we're here at Home Depot. We had to get this high heat furnace. Alright, so we here. So pretty much as you can see here, got some cracks. So it was deemed unsafe to use when we got it clean. That's another thing too. If you guys have fire pits, do not get a professional to clean it. They will pay you high premium prices. You can go to Home Depot and you can get the cleaning product yourself. That's what we're going to be doing moving forward. But this is the job that they wanted $300 to do. And again, all you have to do is go to Home Depot, get the high intense heat, and then do it yourself. So we're gonna make the attempt to do it. So pretty much what it instructed me to do. That's your toy, Levi. You don't want to put that in there. It instructed me to damp the surface, and I felt like I saw a crack over here too. It said damp the surface and then apply the cement, and that's what we're doing right now. So we got Lily as the cameraman, and this is what we're doing. Get a little closer, daughter. So we're just applying this high intense heat cement. Got any questions, daughter?
No.
Okay, so pretty much, if you're wondering, daughter, why I'm putting this is because there's a crack here in the furnace.
Yeah.
So you can't
You
use it if it's a crack.
Okay.
Because the fire is just gonna be escaping, from my understanding.
Really?
Yeah. So you wanna cover that up nicely.
Oh my goodness.
See right there?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So
Maybe fan coming.
it's not as bad, but patch it up now so it doesn't get worse. No, not this. Dangerous. But you can help me start a fire later.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Aside?
Huh?
Aside?
No, in here.
Oh.
Should dry by then. But I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna get back to y'all with an update. Alright, so we covered the cracking with intense heat. It wasn't that much cracking, just mostly these lines here, but I just figured some chips to just fill it in the best I could. We're gonna let this dry. In the meantime, I'm gonna stack some firewood in here and it should be ready for tonight. Let's see, stay tuned, guys. So yeah, guys, as you can see, up and operational. We got our fire pit working again, and the quick DIY that I did, it's still holding strong. And the job was pretty much, it costed $300 to do, but I did it for under $50. So I highly suggest not, if you have a working fire pit, do not hire a professional. Not that they won't rob you, but the fact that you can do it yourself. You can clean the chimney yourself, and you can fix the cracks. If you have cracks, you can fix the cracks in your fire pit. But definitely have a professional inspect it. Let them tell you what's wrong with it, and then you see if it can be done or not. Because why? Because they have all the materials at your local Home Depot, from cleaning to fixing to sealing. Everything that you need to do to get your fire pit working, they sell it at Home Depot, and it'll save you hundreds of dollars. So that's what we did, and now we have our fire pit back up and running again. So, but that being said, I appreciate you guys for watching the video. Definitely like and subscribe, definitely share, hit that bell icon, and there's more on the way. All right, for now, I see you guys in the next one. Peace.